Look, you may not have seen this kind of motorcycle very often, because it can run on beer instead of gasoline. It is so light and small that it is even possible to lift and turn it by hand. Despite its small size, it does not lose any of its power, and thanks to its compact structure, people of all ages can easily ride it. This is a skill that every employee at a Chinese bank must have, counting money quickly. The left hand bends the banknotes into an arc while the 5 fingers of the right hand scan the banknotes in turn, counting 5 banknotes at a time. As the speed increases, a bundle of cash can be counted accurately in a short time. Do you think this speed can surpass a money counting machine? This is why you should never sleep in a room full of chicks. This man was tired and lay down hoping to take a peaceful nap. But something unexpected happened. The chicks immediately surrounded him. Within seconds, he was buried under a pile of soft chicks. They thought he was their mother, so it became impossible to sleep.
There are now portable beds on the market that you can turn into a sofa after you're done with them. And it looks like no one will notice that what they're sitting on is actually a bed. It's lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry because it has a sturdy structure. Its mattress is very comfortable and ideal for both sitting and sleeping.
This girl fell and broke her jaw. After the doctor treated her and fixed her, she showed it to her father and told him how she got better. But instead of taking her seriously, her brother made fun of her for the strange appearance of her teeth. While the girl was trying to explain the situation seriously, her brother laughed at her, making her even angrier.